Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you about this Wuhan Greenland Center, total height 476 meters. So this project is just beside the Yangtze River at Wuhan city. This is some of the render at the initial beginning stage. So there's office, apartment, hotel, and the club. So construction started very early in 2014. So started with the rough slab first, baupa, budding. So semi top down construction. Again, the RC structuring being deployed at the four corner due to the land space is very big, and steel structuring will be very at high cost. So RC structuring, once in the 4 parameter taking shape, center will be making at the surrounding ground, then start to dig down. So another progress. So once they further going down, the supporting column taking a lot of the cantilever. So some of the diagonal structuring is necessary to retain them. So another progress photo, some of the supporting tower crane being set up at the perimeter. The rough casting is very unique. In the center you can see the tower crane mass, but they are using a tube method, so the concrete all directly pour from the ground floor down. After the rough is done, so you can see center there the red color tower crane mass is very huge, and the core wall is a triangle shape. So this is when the rough is casted, and they erecting this kind of steel plate to in lieu of some of the reinforcement bar. Is very unique, seldom being seen anywhere. Once the rock is constructed, then this circular ramp going down doesn't serve any purpose. They start to demolish it off, structuring. So the center core wall is taking shape, and it start to coming up. So center core wall. From this one, you can see the center red color tower crane is so huge that is almost 4 times of the supporting crane at the perimeter. It's a mega supporting column, the tower crane. Then from there, the typical construction take into place. At the beside there's another lower building, so they are also using a RC structuring and a few layer of the center temporary decking. Some of the progress of the supporting building. So for this building, RC, this steel columns is continue coming in, come up from level 1, going up. Continue going up, but he cannot just let it going up forever. So the system formwork start to set up, which is total jack up method. That's why the supporting frame on top have to be linked up and down all the working platforms. So still the core wall system formwork fabrication in progress. Okay, so from now on is getting into shape. Okay, so the preparation takes some time. So be patient for it. Once the preparation is done, so the red color at the center, you can see that the core wall is being formed up and start to jack up, so the speed will be faster, and it's just a continue going up. Okay, so the tower crane on top mounting to the core wall, below is the steel structure as the office space. This is a photo showing this tall building as well as beside the supporting building. This is some of the progress update to see where is the building at compared with the total height. Continue going up. Continue going up. So diagonal structuring is a very strong structure frame instead of the column and the beam, vertical and horizontal. Continue going up. At a certain floor, there will be some of the crossover structuring to ensure the rigid. Facade also taken into shape just beside the Yangtze River. Another So once the tower crane reach the roof, start to remove two tower crane. There's only one left. It's already above the cloud. So tower cranes still forming up the last few floors. Facade is catching up very fast. This is another view. So the roof and the facade. There's a helicopter platform at the center, the round one, and some M&E rooms. Huanghe Low and this Greenland Tower. So this photo on the right is the wind tunnel. When the building complete, there's a very big H marking at the center is a helicopter pad.